girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, glad to meet you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, Lord, shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, Lord, shut it down. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy, step into my heart and let me put you into the tons. Stop looking for a reason to hate me. Just hate me. Nobody's gonna make you know. I'm working on me. They jealous how they looking on me. I don't mind. My new girl's not too thirsty to ride. She's riding for me. Ride or dying for me. Girl, you're the reason you're lonely tonight. But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know the truth. Come take a chance. It's like that and I'm ready. I know you know the truth. When you see it's like that and I'm ready. It's like that and I'm ready. I've learned 5 for 5 of pure sexy. I say But this is season to get back your life. This is your chance. I know. Come take a chance. Slide in and out. I know. Will you see?
Hello everyone, it's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Asteria hair, and you guys, today I'm reviewing this pre-braided curly unit, and I absolutely love this unit. I think it's so unique. I'm just loving like these pre-styled units lately. Like I don't even remember the last time I had to like bleach a unit, pluck a unit, like or anything like that, because all of these companies lately have just been doing their big one, and they have definitely been styling the units for you. So for the girlies out there that don't know how to do your own hair, you don't have to know, because hello, they did it for you. Like these braids are immaculate. I don't even know if I could have parted it and braided it this fire. And I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in on that. So here is an up close look at those braids. And I ended up taking that piece that was in the middle and just like kind of swoosh it into the braid. I felt like it looked better like that. So yeah, this is what it's giving. They did a really good job with those braids. Now, as you guys saw, this unit also came with some baby hairs in it, but I took majority of those out. The other thing about it was they're actually too thin. I wish they would have left a little bit more hair out, because the baby hairs were too thin for me to like do it up how I wanted to, but it's still okay. I don't mind it at all. I think this still looks good. This just gives us a break from the baby hairs. I did try to do a little ooh-wop over here, and then I just end up slicking this part into this braid over here, just like kind of how I did that part, and a little swoop right there, but nothing too crazy. As far as the inches on this unit, I would say that this is possibly about like a 24 inch. Absolutely love this hair. I think this hair is so beautiful and curly, and the braids actually have rubber bands at the end. So they put rubber bands here so you don't have to worry about the braids becoming undone, and it just looks so good, so natural. And I like the lace on this unit, because I feel like if the lace was like that really hard lace, when it's like really noticeable, I don't know if I would have been able to do this with a unit like that. So I like the fact that the lace is just A1. It's very thin, it's blendable, and I want to say this is possibly maybe even like an HD lace unit or a transparent lace. I'm not sure on the lace, but they did a really good job with this unit, you guys. I absolutely love it. I love the fullness to it as well, because even though this top half is like braided up, the back part is still very, very full. Like I would say it's about like 180 to 200% density. It's very thick, and these curls, like this is straight out of the box. Like this is not me washing the unit, plucking the unit, bleaching the unit, braiding the unit. Everything came done for you. So I really love that about it. And the curls are just like, hello, just beautiful, beautiful curls. And then if you want to, you know, you can have all of it to the back. So I'll show you guys what that's like. So you can have it all to the back. And I wear like this palm tree little uwap because I feel like this is the perfect like vacation unit, because it like gets all of the hair back and away from your face. Because a lot of times when you have curly units, especially in the summertime or in those hotter months, if you're going like to an island or something, hair like that can get very, very hot. So I like something like this that's just like, you know, back and out of the way. Like I said, a perfect vacation unit or an everyday unit. You can wear this any occasion, anytime, and it's just really beautiful. Like look at these braids. Like I cannot get over how bomb these braids are. If you wanted to, you can add like little jewelry and things to the braids. If you wanted to, like those little gold hooks, you can put like those gold clips, you can put them like at the ends of each braid and like help that part stand out, like where the rubber bands are. I wonder if we can put this up in a ponytail. Let's see, because you can possibly even do like a half up, half down with a ponytail, right? Boop. So you can do something like that if you want to have it like up in a ponytail and then have this part going down. You could do that. I just don't have a rubber band right now to show you guys. I do have like these clips. I can like clip it for now so you guys can kind of get the gist of what I'm trying to do here. Oh no, that didn't help at all. But y'all kind of get the point. Like, you know, you can put it up in a ponytail if you wanted to. And I'm not sure on what kind of curl pattern this is, but I really do like it. Like if I just had a unit with just this curl pattern alone, like y'all know me, I love a good curly unit. And then also if you want to, you can take some of the braids and kind of like flip them over a little bit, like play around with it a little, you know what I mean? Have like more of a heavy side, you see? Like just play around with it, and it's just like so cute. I really do like this unit. I am really blown away actually by how amazing this is. And like when they emailed me and they were like we got this new unit, we want you to try it out. Like I cannot tell you how fast I responded to that email. I'm like, yes, send that over, I'm gonna need that. This is one of those units that I would definitely keep. I wouldn't even consider selling this, so yeah. And I like that this was like a full lace front unit, because like the top half is like a real 13x4, maybe even a 13x6. I mean, look how far back this lace goes. Like it goes really far back. And even though it's pre-braided, I was still able to cut around the ear and wear it. And you guys know I have like a smaller head, so you know, I wasn't really sure how that was gonna work out, but it worked out perfectly for me. This can definitely fit medium, large head sizes. This is definitely a one size fits all type of situation. So I'm really liking that. And you see how I could like, you know, cover up some of the braids if I wanted to and do like a whole little uwap. I really like this. This is so pretty. And this unit is also a glueless unit, so if you didn't want to use the ebon lace spray like I did, you can definitely get away with doing a completely glueless install. It has the adjustable strap in the back, and it has the adjustable elastic band that's at the top, like that thick band that they have in there. And the band has like that non-slip grip. Yeah, and it's hooked in, because sometimes I don't like when they have the elastic bands in there and then like the elastic band is like slipping out when you put the unit on, and then the back is all loose and all of that. But the construction of this unit is just like it's just perfect. Like I love everything about it. The color, I love the style, I love the curl pattern, I like the fit to it, I love the lace, and I love the fact that they actually included the adjustable straps in the back, which seems like, I don't know why other companies stopped putting that back there, but I like the fact that they definitely kept that feature in the back. And it also has multiple combs as well, so if you need to like hook it in with a comb, you can do that as well. But yeah, there's no like extra gap in the back, like all loose or anything like that. It's so snug. And I love that about it. It's just a beautiful unit, you guys. I absolutely love it, and I know a lot of you guys are gonna love it as well. So if you're interested, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover, and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate every last one of you guys for watching my videos, showing me love, liking it up, dropping them comments, sharing the video when you share it. And I will see, thank you guys so much, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.